Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Kohree realistic battery powered flameless pillar candles. Oh yeah, Unscented Ivory Votive LED candles with remote control and timer function. The batteries are included. And here are 6 pieces inside. Soothing and relaxing and long-lasting. Oh, this flame flickers softly and gently, just like a real candle. That creates a smooth and relaxing environment. The LED bulbs will not get hot and ready to last 10,000 hours. The size is 1.5 inches to 1.9 inches. It requires one CR2450 battery per candle. This is a special cell battery. No worry about this mess. No longer will you have to put up with the annoyance of cleaning candle drops, or worry about falling asleep without blowing the candles off. They can give you safety and a risk-free service. It shouldn't be concerned. No more dripping wax, no more smoke, and no more scent. Multifunction universal remote control. It works with all the candles. At the same series, of course, at once or separately. Turn them all off or on at the same time, whether it's on your multiple sets. Choose a steady glow or a flickering light with remote buttons. It is perfect for the most of the accessories. The flameless LED candles are perfect for anniversary, marriage, proposals, outdoor candle banquets, promotion, hotels, bars, home decorations, and Christmas time. Oh, they're suitable for all kinds of events and can be used outdoor. This looks nearly real. The remote control Votive candles can be used indoor or outdoor. Enjoy the candles without the messy wax and dangerous flames as well, and the convenience of the remote control and timer. You can choose a timer setup. You can choose a different flame mode. You can switch it on, switch it off, and you can put the light intensive up or down. It's really easy. You can have the candle flickering or the straight light. You can choose either dimmer or brighter. The bulbs are made in LED, which is safe and energy efficient. And they change the colors if you like, because this product is available in different color setup, in white, in blue, in red, etc. I'm using the standard flame candles because I'm going to use them for Christmas time, and I like it really much to get this separately in my decoration. Oh, really nice, really nice. This is a perfect for those nights when you want to relax and be distressed. Give you the feeling of real candles without worrying about dripping and fires. The remote control lets you use the flameless candles in hard to reach areas, such as the tall shovels or even chandeliers or lanterns or furnitures. The type of the bulbs are built in LED lights. The diameter approximately 1.5 inches. The remote control ranges within 20 feet. Feeds the box is 11.2 to 8 to 5.5 centimeters. That means you can see here 6 of them in a small box. But this is enough because it's a decoration thing. You have a really beautiful color in different modes, and there brings you a relaxing surrounding. You can use the timer function. You can turn the candles off either 4 hours or 8 hours, but not automatically on, but automatically off with the remote 4 or 8 hours. This is enough, really. This is awesome. You can use the switch on the bottom side, each LED candle, of course, and you can use the remote to switch them on and off. If you like to replace this, it's not a big deal, really. It's not a big deal. You can see this in my video how to replace the batteries. It's really easy. You have an on and off button. You have 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. If your remote will support this, you can switch candlelight, brightness level up, brightness level down, and the feeling of the LED candles are in a good, handy design, I think. It feels like nearly like wax. It is small, tiny, but it is powerful LED, but it will work a long time. So this is special, this is real for my Christmas decoration this year. Kohree realistic battery powered flameless pillar candles. Yeah. Unscented Ivory Votive LED candles with remote control and timer. And all batteries were included. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.